So I got a letter from LMC Trucks. I have ordered a lot of parts from this company for my C10 truck, 1986 Chevrolet. The other day I sent an email to the LMC Trucks and I told them that I have ordered a lot of things through their website. Still need more things to order for the truck. So I was like, let me see, maybe they'll give me maybe they'll sponsor me or give me something free. So I sent them email and told them if they will sponsor me, or the response was like that they don't sponsor, but what they can do, they can send me a gift card to buy something from LMC. So that's what I got today. So let's open it and see what we got. So got a LMC a gift card, and it's $100 gift card to redeem an LMC $100 gift card. And it says, Omar, thank you for reaching out to LMC Trucks regarding a YouTube sponsorship. As discussed via email, including this email is a $100 LMC truck gift card that may be used towards a future purchase with LMC Trucks. Thank you for choosing LMC Trucks. Well, thank you guys for sending this. I appreciate it. Thank you LMC for the gift card. Appreciate it. See you guys.